I absolutely love this turkey recipe. You're going to be roasting your turkey in parts, which means you cannot present a whole turkey at the table. But if you're willing to forego that, I'm telling you, you may never go back to roasting turkey any other way. You're going to roast it in parts on a sheet pan, and what's going to happen is you're going to save time, and each individual piece is going to be perfectly cooked. The flesh is going to be juicy. The skin is going to be crispy. The trick is having a large enough roasting pan so you're not crowding the parts, which are going to be slathered in butter. There's going to be leeks, all kinds of herbs and spices. Seriously, you may never roast turkey another way again, and all low FODMAP, of course.